Have you ever frozen when it mattered most? Your mind goes blank, your heart starts racing, and suddenly you can't think straight. It happens during job interviews, important meetings, tough conversations, big decisions. And afterward, you think, why didn't I say that? I knew the answer. Here's the truth. You don't rise to the level of the moment. You fall to the level of your system. But don't worry. In this video, you'll learn why your brain shuts down under pressure, how to stay calm when it matters most, simple tricks to think clearly in seconds. And the best part? Anyone can learn this, even if you panic easily. Let's start. Pause the video and think of one situation where you froze. We'll fix that exact moment today. Your brain is not broken. It's actually trying to protect you. When you feel pressure, your brain thinks, this might be dangerous. So it activates something called fight or flight. That means your heart beats faster, your breathing gets shallow, blood moves away from your thinking brain and goes to your muscles instead. Why? Because thousands of years ago, pressure meant you might be chased by a wild animal, but today, pressure is just a boss asking a question, a client waiting for an answer. Your brain can't tell the difference, so it shuts down thinking and turns on survival. That's why you forget words, make bad decisions, feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to stay calm. Next time you feel pressure, say this in your head. This is not danger, I am safe. This simple sentence calms your brain instantly. When pressure hits, you don't need a long solution. You need something fast. Here's a simple trick, the 3-second reset. Step 1, stop. Step 2, breathe. Step 3, focus. Let's break it down. Step 1, stop. Don't react right away. Even a 1-second pause is powerful. It stops panic from taking over. Step 2, breathe. Take one slow breath, in through your nose, out through your mouth. This tells your brain, we are calm. Step 3, focus. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I need to do next? Not everything, just one thing. That's how you regain control. Simple, fast, powerful. Practice this right now. Take one slow breath. Pause. Think of your next step. Train it before you need it. Pressure feels overwhelming because your brain sees too many things at once. Deadlines, expectations, fear of failure. It's too much. So, your brain shuts down. Here's the fix, the one thing rule. When under pressure, ask, what is the most important thing right now? Examples, in a meeting, answer the question clearly. In an argument, stay calm. In a test, solve the next question. Not everything, just one thing. Why does this work? Because clarity removes overwhelm, and when overwhelm disappears, thinking comes back. Write this on a sticky note. What is one thing? Keep it on your desk or phone. Under pressure, complex thinking fails. Simple thinking wins. Instead of trying to solve everything, break it down. Example, bad thinking. This is too complicated. Better thinking, step 1, step 2, step 3. Your brain loves simple steps. It feels easier, it feels safer. And when your brain feels safe, it thinks clearly. Next time you're stressed, say out loud, step 1. It instantly reduces pressure. The best way to think clearly under pressure is to prepare before it happens. Because pressure doesn't create mistakes, it reveals them. Athletes do this all the time. They practice under stress. So, when the real moment comes, they stay calm. You can do the same. Think of situations where you feel pressure, meetings, presentations, difficult talks. Then rehearse. What will you say? What will you do? Even a few minutes helps. Preparation builds confidence, and confidence keeps your mind clear. Pick one upcoming stressful situation. Spend 5 minutes preparing for it today. The biggest pressure is often inside your head. You might think, I can't do this. I'm going to fail. These thoughts create panic, but you can change them. Replace them with, I can handle this. Just one step. I've done hard things before. Your brain listens to what you say, so give it better instructions. Create your go-to phrase, something simple like, stay calm, one step. Repeat it under pressure. Thinking clearly under pressure is not a talent, it's a skill. And like any skill, you can train it. Remember, pause and breathe. Focus on one thing. Think in simple steps. Prepare ahead. Control your thoughts. Do this consistently. And pressure will stop controlling you. You will control it. Save this video and practice one technique today. If you want to stay calm, think better, and make smarter decisions, subscribe for more videos like this, because your best thinking should happen when it matters most.